Righto, General Maths 2 students, here's another example on Ogives. Now, I've gone and drawn the cumulative frequency histogram for this taxi fare data already, so you might want to pause the video and have a go at doing that yourself. So here's the cumulative frequency histogram. So I'm going to put the Ogive on this. So we start by starting in this bottom corner and putting a diagonal line across there, and then we connect that up to each of the other corners. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, yep, there we go. Alright, and we've got him. Okay, so here's our Ogive now, and we're asked in this example about 25th and 75th percentiles. Okay, so let's have a look at how we get those. Okay, so we're going to look at this percentage scale. So over here we've got the cumulative frequency, but on the right here we're going to do a percentage scale. Okay, and up at the very top is 100%, and down at the very bottom is 0%. I'll just see if I can zoom out a little here. 0%. Now, obviously, we go up to 24 for 100%, so that lines up with 24, and 0 for 0%. So 50% is going to be half of 24, so 12. So the 50 percentile lies right there on 12, halfway between the two. So in addition to that, the 25th percentile must be halfway between 0 and 50, so at 6. So there's 25. And halfway between 50 and 100 at 21. Not 21, what is it? Halfway between 12, at 18. Get that right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are at 18. There we have our 75th percentile. Okay, so we're asked what they mean. Right, so let's go and get them first. So the 25th percentile, that is equal to, let's find out what. Okay, so we go from this across to the Ogive and down, and we'll do the same for the 75 while we're here. So across and down. So here's the two spots, the 25th and the 75th percentiles. Okay, so the 25th percentile is halfway between 10 and 20. It's at 15. And this means that 25% of the fares were $15 or less. So 25% of fares were $15 or less. So 75%, that hits right between 30 and 40. So for the 75%, is 75% of fares were $35 or less. That's what they mean. So there's our part B done. So in part C, we need to find the interquartile range. I'll just call this for part C IQR, interquartile range. Righto, so that is the difference between 75% and the 25 percentile, which of course is 35 take 15. So 35 take 15 gives 20. So our interquartile range, IQR, equals 20. Okay, now you're asked to compare your findings with answers found previously. So we can do that in class. I think that would probably involve either using the stem and leaf plot or the calculator, but we'll visit that together in class and have a go at that one, that comparison. Now, go ahead now and try the recommended questions in class, and you can always review this, pause the video at any point that you like, and go back over this material. Okay, thank you.